Dude, this is all like amazing. I mean, genuinely, this is all tempting. But for me, if something becomes more repetitive, I just become more static and I find myself stagnant with my workout routine. And that's the reason I keep it on and off throughout the time. And I keep researching about new and new workout and exercises to fill it up in my routine. Because I just don't want to look good. I want to feel good. I want to be more functional. I want to be more active. I want to be more useful. And I have always believed that if you want something in life, just look into the nature, because nature has a great way to deliver best out of you. And for that, you don't need gym.
They drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She know this cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Move of emotion, they drunk at their problems, they always on road and they starting. She know this cause she is the same. She's trying to stop playing games. Where the people at, what they really wanna know? Who's your lovers and who are your bros? Who are the enemies you do keep close? Who are the people that you shouldn't know? Where the people at, what they really wanna know? Who's your
Even if you just go for a hike on a mountain or on a trek, even if you go for a run and just for a walk out in the nature, there's nothing like quite feeling you get when you are more involved in life.
Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Got it from me, all the energy extra. You don't wanna see me with the hip list. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People they're quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna go to a bitch, nah.
That's amazing. I totally agree with you. And I wish many people could do that too. But in today's world, with all the fast-paced lives, we need a proper routine to keep everything organized. Not just our health, but work, relationships, diet, fun time, and all the other things. And what you're saying is, we can work out anywhere. We don't need a gym, and I agree with that. Because you have also proven it. But it's as true as saying we can work anywhere we want. We can eat, drink, have fun, or even we can find God anywhere. But there is a reason why offices, restaurants, or temples are built. For the same reason, gyms are also built. So that people can do specific activity at specific time in a specific area. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, I totally understand that and I'm totally sold on your answer.
You should try working out here. It's not that amazing as going up on a mountain, but it feels great.
Yeah, I mean, I would love to try it. Let's do this.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
I mean, it does feels great. I'm totally pumped right now and I might join gym pretty soon.
It doesn't matter. See, the bottom line here is that if you go to the gym and lift the iron, or go to the mountain on a hike, or run, or even walk, as long as people are doing something amongst this, it's great. Because here's the thing, you got 24 hours in a day and one body for the lifetime. That's the only thing which is going to stay your entire life. So that deserves to be healthy. So at least take 30-60 minutes out from a day for it and fuel it with good diet. That's it.